This is a quick demonstration on how to edit taxonomy. First thing we're going to do is log into our website, going to the URL /user/login, hit enter on your browser. Here we're going to enter in a test account, our username, and our password. First thing you're going to do then is go to the content button on your upper left hand corner. Here you can filter the content types that you want to use. In this case, we're going to look at our search pages, which in this case is the Broadband USA Resources content type. Every one of these will need to be edited. You'll click Edit, scroll down to the bottom, and edit or select the proper taxonomy terms for the respective node. Going to another one, example here is the news content type. Same thing. You'll hit Edit on every one of the nodes, scroll down to the bottom, and select the appropriate taxonomy and hit Save. Once you're done, you can log out, and that's it. Super easy.